Okay, in the 767, before you start the APU, come here, make sure navs are off. Okay, engines in the on position, electric off, 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 off. Batteries out, standby is in auto. On, auto, on or in. On, fuel pumps off, off. This doesn't matter that much. This is out, this is emergency lights off. Lights like this, doesn't matter that much. Out, off, off. Auto, doesn't matter that much. Window heats, off. Air conditioning, auto, off, off. Isolation valves open. APU bleed valve is off. Duct pressure is 0. So now what we gotta do is turn the battery first. And then we gotta do the fire check. Fire check is right here on the pedestal. APU engine over here. APU for the cargo test. Still push and hold. Okay, you hear the sound. Get that. And then that's it. So you heard the sound and you get the master warnings on those, on the buttons there. Okay, and then the squib test. Okay, push test 1. All of them, and then test 2, all of them except the APU, because the APU only has 1 loop versus 2 loops on the engine. So now that that's good, come over here, on, push hold, let go, fault, then run, run. And then that's it. You just wait for it to spool up. Okay, fire handles, left engine, right engine APU. Upper ICAS, lower ICAS. Okay, about to do a brake ride on this aircraft. Take it from a remote parking area to the gate. Why they decided to put it here in the first place, I don't know. Okay, I hear it spooling up. Okay, position the on, the position lights, that is, that's the green and red lights, the nav lights. It's pretty hot in here, so, oh, there it goes. Okay, before we actually move the plane, we want to make sure you have enough pressure in there. That's not really enough pressure, that's just accumulator pressure. That's the brake pressure. Okay. Okay, so now that that is complete, you can turn on the hydraulics just to ensure that we're going to have enough pressure. So we push the beacon on. Okay, and the 7.6, it's the right system, so I'll show you on the status page. I'm going to push the demand pump, so there you go, that comes in, that goes up, and then once that's done, we can shut it off, no problem. And that's it, for that at least. Okay, and like I said, it's pretty hot in here and it's in balance, so what we can do is do this. So I can start pushing over on this side. Left side is where the APU draws this fuel on the 7.6. And can turn on, make sure these are in the off position before opening the valve. So push that button, flow bar, valve and transit light, duct pressure comes up, well, as best as it can at least. Okay, there he goes. Remember, the APU just got turned on. So you might want to wait a little longer before you actually turn it on. It's okay. It's not constant, so it's alright. So, auto, auto, and then that's it. So we are pretty much ready to go. Okay, brake riding, make sure to have the position lights, also known as the nav lights on, and then the red light, which is also known as the beacon light, which is also known as the anti-collision light. When you're taxiing, not just taxiing, excuse me, you're doing a brake ride. Okay. Okay, so now the brake ride's done, turn off the beacon light. And remember, now we gotta turn off the packs, so off, stabilize, off, stabilize, and then, well, that's the valve in transit light, flow bar disappears. There you go. And then after that, make sure you turn off, well, I turned on the pumps, but you don't always have to do that. I just decided to do that. Obviously, it didn't really make a difference, but it's okay. And then once that's complete, all you gotta do is shut this bad boy off like that. And that's it. And it's gonna pop off. And of course, you wait a minute or so so the APU door inlet door can close. And that's it, really. And that's pretty much how you turn on the 767 and turn off the 767. Simple. Simple enough. And see, it popped off.